Today, we're diving into the question, can I DoorDash on a bike? At first glance, it might seem like a simple yes or no answer, but there's actually quite a bit to explore here. Let's pedal our way through this topic. Firstly, let's address the basics of DoorDash delivery. DoorDash is a popular food delivery service that allows individuals to deliver food from restaurants to customers' doorsteps. The company's platform typically supports several modes of transportation for delivery, including cars, scooters, and yes, bicycles. Using a bike for DoorDash deliveries comes with its own set of pros and cons. On the plus side, delivering on a bike means you don't have to worry about costly fuel, finding parking, or navigating through heavy traffic as much as you would with a car. It's also a great way to stay active and reduce your carbon footprint. However, there are challenges to consider as well. The range you can cover on a bike is limited compared to a car, which might restrict you to accepting orders only within a certain radius. Weather becomes a bigger issue too, as delivering in rain, snow, or extreme temperatures on a bike can be quite uncomfortable and sometimes unsafe. Another important aspect to consider is the DoorDash policy and city regulations regarding bike deliveries. DoorDash generally allows bike deliveries in cities where it's feasible, but it's essential to verify that your area supports this option. In addition, local traffic laws and regulations about biking on roads or specific bike lanes must be followed to ensure safety. To successfully DoorDash on a bike, proper equipment is key. A sturdy bike capable of handling various terrains and weather conditions, a secure and insulated food delivery bag, a smartphone mount for easy navigation, and necessary safety gear, like a helmet and lights, are all crucial for a smooth operation. Conclusively, the answer to "can I DoorDash on a bike" is yes, with considerations. It's a viable option in certain areas and can have its advantages, especially in densely populated urban environments. However, it requires proper planning, adherence to safety guidelines, and the right equipment to be effectively executed. Thank you for watching. Cycling through the city as a DoorDash delivery person can offer a unique blend of flexibility, exercise, and environmental friendliness. If you're thinking about giving it a try, taking into account these insights can help you make an informed decision and ensure a positive experience. Ride on and happy delivering.